The Splinter is a unique road-legal car almost entirely made of wood, created by American woodcarver and carpenter Isaac Cohen from Houston, Texas. The idea for the car began in 2002 when Cohen decided to challenge himself by combining his lifelong passion for woodworking with automotive engineering. At that time, the concept of a fully functional wooden car was widely considered unrealistic, even impossible. Cohen had been working with wood since his teenage years and opened his own carpentry business in 1985. Using these skills, he started designing and building Splinter in his personal workshop. The process required extreme dedication. Cohen reportedly spent 13 to 14 hours a day carving, shaping, gluing, and assembling thousands of wooden components. The work continued for more than a decade and was completed when Cohen was 63 years old. Splinter is constructed from glued wooden cubes, carefully shaped to form the car's body and interior. Many components that are usually made of metal were replaced with wood. The steering wheel consists of about 260 wooden pieces, the gear shift of 90 pieces, and even the key grip is made from 60 wooden parts. Some elements, such as the engine, seats, dashboard, glass, lights, and engine compartment, are not wooden for safety and functionality reasons. Everything else, including the exterior panels, is wood. In 2015, Splinter was officially approved as road legal, meaning it can be driven on public highways like a conventional vehicle. After finishing the original car, Cohen built a miniature version of Splinter, stating he wanted to continue creating after completing what he considered his masterpiece. Despite offers from collectors willing to pay high prices, Cohen has refused to sell the car, donating only one smaller model to charity. He continues to explore new ideas, including wooden two-wheeled vehicles, proving that innovation can come from passion, patience, and craftsmanship rather than conventional materials.